What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Dark Sonic from Sonic the Hedgehog. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and draw a small oval for the nose. So we're going to start at the very top of the middle, come all the way around toward the bottom of the oval, and then back up. Now along the top of the nose we're going to add a small circle for highlight, and then we want to fill the bottom of the nose in black. Let's go to the side of the nose and draw the top edge of the cheeks. So on the left, we're going to curve this down and then up. And then let's just line that up on the right side. And you want to round out the cheeks, just pulling this around and then back in. And then round out the bottom of the chin, starting back on the left, come down the middle, go across, and then back up. Let's shift the mouth over towards the left side, starting right in the middle, bend this across, and then up. Then on the right, we're going to add a small bracket. Now let's go back to the top of the nose. We're going to split the brow with a straight line going up. Let's move over towards the left, draw a straight angle line going up and then out across the brow. Go to the right side of the nose, do the same thing, going up and then out. Let's curl around the brow. We're going to go up and then bend that out towards the side. Now we're going to tuck the outside edge of the eyes underneath. So on the left we're going to step in, curl this around, and then in on top of the cheek, and then do the exact same thing on the right. Now we're going to leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, we're going to add a curve for the brow. We're going to go up and then out. Let's go to the top corner of the eyes, we're going to step up and draw the outside of the ear, then it's out and then up towards the tip. Line it up on the right. Let's curve the inside of the ear, coming in and then down. Let's trace the outside edge of the ears, going up and then down along the inside. And then we'll close out the bottom with a curve. Let's draw that center spike across the top of the head in behind the ears. So in the middle, we're going to go all the way up towards the top of our page to right about here, at a point. Now I want to bend this out and then down on top of the ear along the inside. Let's go back up to the top, bend this out and then down on the right. Let's add those two spikes curved along the side. Let's start back at the bottom, bend this out and then up, and then we'll line it up on the right side. Bend this around, come down, and then in towards the side of the head. Now we're going to add one more spike along the side. Let's start back on the left, going out and then up. And I want to pull this down in towards the cheeks. So let's start back on the left, coming down, and we'll bend that in across the bottom. Let's go underneath the chin in the middle, draw an oval, coming down towards the bottom of the body, and then back up. Let's move out to the side, we're going to curve the body, going around, and then in towards the hips. In the center, step down, add a curve, going up and then down. Leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, draw a straight angle line coming down and out, across the left leg, do the same thing across the right. Now I want to round out the bottom of the leg, coming down and up toward the outside. Let's go back up to the hips, draw a straight angle line coming down towards the bottom. Now I want to wrap that thick cuff around the legs. From this point, we're going to step up, then it's out and then in. From the inside, step up, going in and then out. Let's add the bottom of the fold. We're going to step out, go out, around the bottom, and just tuck that in on the inside. Let's go to the inside. We're going to draw the heel, coming in and then down towards the bottom of the shoes. And we want to round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start back on the left, curve this down, and then bend that up towards the outside. From the outside, curve the foot, going up, and then in towards the outside of the cuff. Now we're going to add a thick sole across the bottom of the feet. We're going to take this curve, step up, And just trace that across on both sides. And we'll add that thick stripe across the top of the shoe. Let's start underneath the cuff, then it's in and then down toward the sole, step out, and then draw that again. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw in the arms. Let's start from the top of the body, step down, angle the arm, coming down and then out towards the wrist. And just like we did with the feet, we're just going to round up the wrist, going out and then up. Now I'm going to draw another straight angle line going up along the outside of the arm, and then along the top, just bend that in towards the body. Let's repeat that same process for the cuff. From this point, step up, curve this around on both sides, then we'll add that fold. From the inside of the cuff, draw a small half circle for the thumb, close off the end with a bracket. Now we're going to add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start underneath the thumb, bend the finger coming down and then up around that bracket. Then from the side, we're going to add the second finger coming down and then bending that in. And then the third finger, curve the hand in underneath the cuff. Let's do the exact same thing on the right, starting underneath the thumb, add the second finger, and then the outside of the hand. Now I want to finish off by adding the tail coming out from the right side. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Dark Sonic from Sonic the Hedgehog. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.